Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Just thought to do you an update video on the Ftx Kanyon that is now completed. Got the police lights running. Front clear white LEDs are on. Some gorgeous looking red beadlock wheels, 2.2s. We've now got the 110 transfer. Inside there we've got the red LEDs. Decided to fit a jerry can. A couple of finger bikes on the top of the roof rack. Over there we've got a 5X signature. Show you on the back. On the back we have the wheel cover. With the red rear LEDs that are working. It's come a long way since I first started doing this. I think this thing looks absolutely awesome now. When I first started it didn't have no front LEDs, it had no rear LEDs. It was absolutely battered, scratched up. It was in a worse state, so I decided to buy it on the cheap off eBay. Decided to fit all the blue parts that you can see underneath there. Bought some red beadlock wheels for it, the transfers, all the LEDs and everything else. Yeah, it's been a long process, but I've really enjoyed building this. Decided to fit the number plate there with the 110 sticker on the bonnet. It's actually got a brushless motor and ESC in it as well, which is something different. What else? Oh yes, it's had a nut and bolt repolish by myself. Every nut and bolt has been taken out of this and polished up on the nail polishing machine, which was an absolute ball ache, but it was worth doing because it looks phenomenal now. What else have we done? Oh, we fitted an upgraded steering servo, 30 kilogram one I believe so. We've also fitted, as you can see there, metal shafts, I think they're called. Custom 3D printed Land Rover grille that I did myself. Well, trying to think what else we've done to the Ftx Kanyon. Oh yes, all the LEDs that are fitted, I've had to wire them up myself, as there was no wiring whatsoever for the lights in this thing when I brought it. There were no front and rear LEDs neither, I had to buy them. Also the front casings for the lights and the mounts, I had to buy them as well. What else? Also changed the clips, the easier ones to get out with me having bad hands. Yeah, so now it's just a matter of getting it out and giving it a good trial, see what it's actually like. Hopefully nothing breaks and nothing goes wrong, or else I'll be back to the drawing board again fixing it, but I don't think it will do. It all seems sturdy and stuff. It's had a good going over. But yeah, I absolutely love this thing. I think I've done a really good job. Like I say, considering it was nothing like this when I first bought it. It was all really dirty and old wheels that had got slits in them and water and